Howdy y'all, this is Redwolf. I've decided that life is too short not to do the things that you really want to do in life. So I've decided that I'm going to be going north sometime the next couple weeks, and I'm going to be taking the Sigma 3 Survival School Instructor course. Everything goes the way I hope it'll go. For too much longer I'll be teaching survival instead of just attempting to get it all on footage. We'll see how it goes, but I think we're going to do alright. I think it's going to be fun. I'm going to spend a lot of time doing a lot of stuff I like to do. And like I said, I think it's just, life's just too short not to take a few risks here and there. On that note, I'm going to be doing some review videos on some gear I'm going to be taking. I've got some stuff I'm not too sure about, and I've got some stuff I'm pretty sure about, but I've been meaning to do reviews on anyway. So I'm going to try and get some footage, do some testing, maybe take a day or two off, maybe take a camping trip, something like that, and just get some good footage of the stuff I'm going to be taking with me, and maybe talk a little bit about why I chose it over some of the other options. That's the direction we're going to be going for a little bit. I'm going to try and get enough footage shot to either put a bunch of videos out before I go, or to be able to have somebody upload a few for me along the way. It shouldn't be too big of a problem. Anything in particular y'all want to see, any suggestions you got for me along the way, be happy to hear them. When I get back, I'm going to do a review. Depending on how much stuff I've got to take with me, I may not have time, may not have enough room to carry on my camera gear with me, but if I can, I will, and I'm going to take a little bit of footage with me, and kind of keep a little up-to-date journal kind of thing. We'll see how it all works out. But I'm going to let y'all know how it goes. If I pass, if I fail, give y'all some idea what to expect and all that, and hopefully it'll all work out for the better. So, until next time, this is Redwolf signing off. Y'all keep up the good fight.